Assalamu alaikum. All the students of class 8. I am over here in front of you and I have delivered many lectures, so I don't need to say again and again about me. I am Sarji Shah and I am teaching you mathematics. Have a look, your book. Alhamdulillah, I have finished my 11 lectures and I have completed two parts of mathematics. You know it very well. So today I decided to start algebra portion. So all my dear students, have a look. Mathematics class 8 algebra lecture number 12 exercise 5.1. all of you open page number 73 of your book. This is the book, page 73. Open page 73. If you will not open your book, then let me say you cannot understand. So I am over here to start exercise 5.1. Question number 1, true or false? Part number 1, 5xy minus 7xy are like terms. Look at this thing, like. Like means similar and the answer is true. That's why I wrote over here T. And let me explain what is that. 5xy, this is a term. This is called a term. 7xy is another term. So we have two terms. You see, this thing is called coefficient. Here coefficient is 5, here coefficient is 7. It doesn't matter. Coefficient, whatever it may be. You understand what I am saying? Do not worry about the coefficient. Have a look over here. xy. This term xy, that term xy. That's why they are called like terms, or we can say similar term. Like means similar. See? Like means similar. I will write this thing and also explanation of this thing. I will write it But first of all, you try to understand. 5xy minus 7xy are like term or similar term. Yes, true. Why? The reason is that 5xy, 7xy both have xy. That's why they are called like terms. See, let me tell you this thing. Parts of an algebraic expression connected by plus or minus sign are called terms. So, xy and xy are similar or like terms. But for example, it's AB over here and xy over here, so they will not be similar terms. They will be unlike terms. I gave you the explanation of this thing, and I hope you understand that. If this is 5pq and this is 7ab, they will be unlike. They will not be similar. But over here, xy are like or similar terms. Answer is true. Number 2, a square minus 1 is a binomial. Answer true. Why? Why true? I'm telling you that. See, if you are talking about polynomials, we have 3 types of polynomials. Monomial means single term, binomial 2 terms, trinomial 3 terms. Or if you have more than 3 terms, that's called simply polynomial or multinomial. So look at the board over here. A square minus 1. This is one term and this is another term. So we have 2 terms over here. See? Try to understand this thing. A square minus 1. This is one term, a square. Minus, this is second term, 1. So we have 2 terms over here. So if we have 2 terms, this is called binomial. Binomial means 2. So the answer is true. Number 3. Every polynomial is a rational expression. Yes, answer is true. What is rational expression? This is a question, because you see what has been written over here. Every polynomial is a rational expression. Yes, true. Why? The reason is that you should know what is a polynomial, and the answer is that expression in the form of P oblique Q. You see, numerator, denominator, P numerator, Q denominator, where P and Q are polynomials, but Q is not equal to 0. I will write it, then you will understand. So, every polynomial is a rational explanation. Answer is true. I told you the definition of rational expressions. But on the other hand, every rational expression is a polynomial? No, not at all. So, pay attention upon these two things, number 3 and number 4. Every polynomial is a rational expression, true, but every rational expression is not a polynomial. So, it is written over here, every rational expression is a polynomial. Answer is false. I will write it, then you will understand. I will explain it more. Let me finish this thing. Number 5. X square minus 2x plus 1 is a polynomial of one variable. Answer is true. Let me explain. See, variable. All the English letters from A to Z are called variables. You see, X is a polynomial of one variable. See, one variable only. X over here, X over here. That's why it's a polynomial of one variable. That's true. If I will say y minus 2x plus 1, that will be two variables. You understand what I am saying? All the English letters from A to Z, A, B, C, D, etc., they are called variables in mathematics. Understand that? So, here we have x, and also we have over here x. This is x power 2. You understand what does it mean? Look at over here. When we multiply the variables, the powers are added. Try to understand this thing. We have the power of x over here 1 multiplied by x. So the power is x is 1. When you will multiply that, it will be I hope you understand it now. So, you understand that x power 2 minus 2x plus 1 is the polynomial of one variable. True. Number 6. 6x square plus 19x plus 15 is the polynomial of degree 2. True. Degree 2. Have a look over here. Have a look. Degree 2. So, answer is true. Number 7. X square minus 3x multiplied by 5y is a trinomial. False. Maybe you will say, sir, you just told me that trinomials means 3 terms. We have 3 terms over here. 1 term, 2nd term, 3 term. No, not 3 term. No. It looks like that. Looks like that. But no. I'm telling you why. X square minus 3x. See, this is 1 term. Now, minus 3x multiplied by 5y is another term. So, the answer will be, x square minus 3x multiply 5y. Answer will be 15xy. So, look at the board now. So it will be x square minus 15xy. How many terms? 1 term, 2nd term. Only 2 terms. Is it trinomial? No, because trinomial means 3 terms. Trinomial means 3 terms. But we have over here 2 terms. That's why it is not a trinomial, it's a binomial. So the answer is false. Last one. Under root x plus 1 is an irrational expression. Yes, true. Why? Expressions like this, under root, these are known as irrational expressions. So, the answer is true. You understand? I explained in detail. Now, I will give you in writing, copy down that and learn it. Okay? I'm showing you what I'm writing now to explain all these things. Copy down the explanation. If you will not learn it, you cannot understand question number 1. Look at the board now. What are like or similar terms? Answer. Parts of an algebraic expression connected by plus or minus signs are called terms. Over here in question number 1, xy and xy are similar or like terms. But AB and XY are not similar, so that's why they are unlike terms. Copy down it and learn it. I explained while I was doing part number 1 of question number 1. Now number 2. Classification of polynomials. See, 3 times, and this one you will understand 3 times. Monomere, mono means one. Understand? Mono means one. Monomere means singleton. Binomial by two terms. Try. See, mono, one. Bio, two. Try. 3 terms. More than 3 terms, simply you can say polynomial or multinomial. Okay? Understand? Mathematics needs practice. I hope you will do more and more practice. You will learn more and more mathematics. Anyway, I am over here to help you. I am over here to teach you. Do not worry much about mathematics. Okay, now, what are rational expressions? Pay your attention. Expression in the form of P oblique Q, where P and Q are polynomials, but Q is not equal to 0. This value should not be 0. So, we write it like that. Q is not equal to 0. This is the sign of equal to. Okay? Equal. And this is the sign of not equal. I have done question number 1, all parts of exercise 5.1. Do it again. This is your homework. Do it again and again. This is your homework. Okay? And write in your comments if you do not understand anything.